Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Circle K account's password. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the Circle K application from your app drawer, or you can also log into CircleK.com website. Once you are inside your account, make sure to log into it. After you are logged in, from the main homepage, find the account button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Now, click on the profile option under My Account. Scroll down to Password area and tap on Change, right next to Password. In the first text box, enter your old password associated with your Circle K account. After you type in your password, go to the next field and type in your new password. Confirm the new password once again in the last field and tap on Save at the bottom in order to change your password on Circle K. And there you have successfully done it. So that was how you can easily change your login password for Circle K application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.